Okay, Wildcat, so everyone look, journal page 30, graphing absolute value functions. Absolute value information. Absolute value is the distance from 0. It makes values positive. F of x equals absolute value of x is the parent function. Domain is negative infinity to positive infinity. Range is bracket 0 to infinity. Absolute value transformations. When f of x equals negative 8 times absolute value of negative bx minus h plus k, the negative in front of the a reflects over the x-axis. When a is greater than 1, it's a vertical stretch. When a is greater than 0 but less than 1, it's a vertical compression. When the negative is in front of the b, it reflects over the y-axis. When b is greater than 0 but less than 1, it's a horizontal stretch. When b is greater than 1, it's a horizontal compression. When it's plus h, it translates left. When it's minus h, it translates right. When it's plus k, it translates up. When it's minus k, it translates down. All right. Let's go take a look at example number 1. Graph g of x equals 3, absolute value of x minus 5 plus 4, and list the transformations, okay? So first off, let's go ahead and let's do g of x in yellow. And we'll do h of x in green. Okay, now, first off, the parent function is 0, 0. The minus 5 moves the graph right 5, and this is up 4. So from this point, we can go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1, 2, 3, 4. You can get your new vertex from there, okay? Now, all we need is a point to the left and to the right of that. And let's use Desmos to do that, okay? So we have 3. We need absolute value, so let's get this out of the way. Absolute value is right there. So then that's x minus 5 plus 4. Okay, we can verify 5, 4. That's where we went. And let's see if we can get to a point. Getting close. You can see we're getting very close to 4, 7. Okay, so we can use that point, 4, 7. So we got So now let's go over here. Let's see if we can get, perfect, 6, 7. So we can use 0.67. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph. Okay, so 4, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, yep. 5, 6, 7. Let me make sure that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now we need to get points for h of x. Okay. Now this means we go left 5, down 4. So left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 1, 2, 3, 4. So that point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5, negative 4. So that's our vertex point. Okay, now we need a point to the left and to the right, and we can use Desmos to get that. Okay. So I can actually just tweak this, 1 divided by 3, and then that's x plus 5 minus 4. Okay. Let's press home. So negative 5 -4. Which we had that point. Now we just need to point to the left and right. That says it took a point, but let's see if we can find something better. Ooh. 7, that's pretty much 7, 0. So we can use that point. Now see if we can go this way. -17, 0. Might not be able to use that point and see. No, I just took the paper, so that's too far that we'll have. So let's see if we can use -11, -2. We should be able to get away with that point. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph. So negative. Yep, -17 is just a little bit off the paper. So let's use -11, -2. Okay, and then 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, go ahead and finish up the graphs. All right, and then go ahead and read over the transformations. All right, go ahead and finish up example number 1. All right, now let's take a look at example number 2. Now, first off, same thing. Let's do this in yellow, this in green. Now, we can go ahead and actually, the number inside concerns me. So let's go straight to graphing to get the points. Okay. So, absolute value of 3x plus 5 minus 4. So that 0, 1 is good. -3, 0. That's -1.67. So in essence of that, let's go ahead and round that to -2. Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead and graph those points. So -3, 0. -2. And then 0, 1. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get points for t of x. All right, so this is -5 plus 4. It looks like we might have a good point right there. 0, 9 is good. 15, 4. So 17.5. All right. So 0, 9. All right, and then 17.5 is going to be too far off. So leave a gap for a table that we had, and then we just know that it's going to angle up like that. Okay. Go ahead and finish up graphing. All right, and let's take a look at all right. Go ahead and finish up your transformations, and let's take a look at your assignment. Have a wonderful Wildcat day.